Hello everyone, and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today, we're exploring the different looks available in GeoVisual. Let's check out the Views menu. It's accessible via the sidebar. Here, you'll find a range of options to tailor the appearance of your GeoVisual project to your needs. We're starting with measurements. By default, GeoVisual displays all measurements of selected splines and surfaces. These include the spacing between each point and the total distance. You can easily toggle the settings by using the eye icon next to the measuring option. Next, we have the Depth of Field feature. Activate it to create a cinematic depth effect. This makes whichever object you're looking at the focal point. Moving on to the underground. When enabled, this feature reveals any underground layers you've added in the layer view below your digital terrain model. It switches off the regular elevation model, highlighting only the underground elements. Let's move to our render looks. The first is the GeoVisual Standard look. It's a realistic rendering with high contrast, accentuating materials, textures, and shadows. This look works best for open spaces like streets, bridges, or new developments. The second is a softer version, reducing contrast. This provides better visibility in densely built-up areas. The third look simplifies the visuals, removing shadows and focusing on basic colors and ambient occlusion. This is particularly useful for design work within the software rather than for presentation. For a more abstract approach, we have stylized looks. Sketch-like looks using only outlines. A painterly look with sketched outlines filled with color. A pure painterly style without outlines. These more stylized views are perfect for early-stage project discussions. They convey flexibility and openness for input better to stakeholders than a realistic look, which appears more finalized. Each of these view options is designed to help you communicate effectively with your audience, whether they are decision makers or the general public. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in GeoVisual. See you again soon. Happy visualizing.